Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm going to be doing this nail look. I really love how these nails turned out, and I will be using Makat's Polygel, which I love, so if you're interested then keep on watching. This is Makat's Polygel kit that I'm unboxing for you guys today. This is a beautiful polygel kit with a lot of nice, bright and fun colors. The polygel kit comes with the instructions, of course, which are very easy and clear to follow. I really like how simple the Makat instructions are. They're very clear and very quick to read as well. And I've just taken out all the polygel shades, which I will swatch in a minute, but it comes with a cute file, and I love the color scheme of this polygel kit. I love the packaging. It looks so cute, especially these base and top coat bottles. They are so nice. I love the ombre that's going on here. So these are the shades that come in the kit. I'm gonna do a quick swatch of every single one, and there's 12 colors and each one is a shimmer color. So I really like that they've put a black in here because I don't have a black polygel from Makat yet. I have done a couple of other unboxing polygel kits from them, which I will link down below. And as you guys know, if you've been watching me for a while now, I absolutely love Makat's Polygel. They're so easy and so great to work with, and their clear is really clear. So all the shades that I'm swatching today, the bottles are all, I believe, 30 mils. They're quite small, but you can definitely get a lot of use of each bottle. I have been using these for quite a long time now, not this one specifically, but the others that I have from them, and they have lasted me a while now. So yeah, just remember that Makat does also sell some polygels individually. Unfortunately, these are not sold individually, but some of like the really popular polygel shades are, and this shade was actually one of my favorite. I really like this light baby blue kind of color. And the shimmers in this polygel kit are like a white kind of iridescent like shimmer in there, and it's very subtle, and it's not like a glitter, it's just like a nice fine shimmer that runs throughout all of the polygels, which I thought was cool. And I was really happy that it comes with like some neon colors as well. Like this one's like a neon green kind of color, and the other one that I'm gonna swatch is gonna be like a neon yellow, which I don't have, and I've really been wanting one. So yeah, I definitely am going to be using this shade in today's look. And I really liked all the pinks in this color polygel kit. I mean, all the pinks were so nice. I don't know what it was about them, but they were just so, they just look so nice. Like I've never used a polygel shade with like such a pretty shimmer and pink, and it comes with a rose gold polygel. Like I've never seen that before with any brand, but it's so pretty, and I am definitely using that in today's look, as you will see. So if you guys want to save 15% off your Makat purchase, then please do use my code nailedbyk for 15% off, and you can use this on the Makat website, which I will link down below at the checkout, to get yourself a discount code. And I do make a small commission from this, but it doesn't come from your pockets. So just a way of Makat for saying thank you for using the code. And this, I believe, is one of the pink shades that I absolutely loved. So these are all the colors. As you can see, there's a really nice range, and yeah, I absolutely love all of these. Now I'm gonna start off with applying my nail tips, as I usually do. I love to do this using base coat gel because I find that base coat gel makes it so easy to remove and apply. And especially when I am removing the nails, I find that it just comes off so much easier, and it is less damaging to my nail beds. It's just so quick and so much easier. I would say it's not as strong as nail glue, but it's honestly not that bad. It might come out, they may come off like a couple days earlier compared to nail glue, but it's not a huge deal for me. So I guess it's up to you guys. And I'm starting off with that nice neon yellow shade, and I'm using base coat gel as my stip solution because I find that it's easier to work gel with gel compared to gel with the slip solution that comes with some of the other polygel kits. And also Makat does recommend to do this as well. So here I am just applying that. Makat's polygel is super easy to work with, so I'm just patting that around, and the base coat gel, I mean, helps me to apply the polygel so smooth that it reduces my filing time a lot. So yeah, do try to use that base coat gel, it really does come in handy. And here I'm using the white-ish kind of shade as a nail bed color, but I'm actually going to change this at the end. I'm going to go over with some pink, so just ignore this one, but let me know if you do still like it with the white or the pink more. I preferred the pink, but yeah, just let me know down in the comments if maybe you like the white over the pink. Personally, I thought the pink looked a bit more natural, so I decided to switch it out for the pink. That nail took me just a little bit of time, maybe like 2 minutes max, like it wasn't even that long. And I'm going in with that beautiful sky blue color with the beautiful shimmer running through it. It's so nice. And these polygels are also very easy to work with. I really like the formula that Makat uses. It's just very easy to do anything with this polygel really. So yeah, Makat's doing a really good job with that. And when you fade the tip upwards, make sure that the product there is already thin. You don't want it to be too thick, otherwise you end up pulling all the product all the way up and it's not really gonna fade. So I start with, when I apply the polygel to the nail, I start by getting the bulk of it flat and getting it halfway down the nail, and then I start to blend upwards. And I'm doing the same thing with the pink, so I got it nice and flat. I'm pressing it down. I'm getting a majority of it at the closer to the tip, and then I'm going to start to fade it down in a minute, so that when I do fade it down, it's all nice and smooth. It's not like lumpy, and it's not too thick, as you can tell. Of course, this does take some practice. There will be times when it doesn't look as smooth, but as you'll see in a minute, you can just wipe it away and it will just be fine, because polygel does let you work with as much time as you need, so don't worry if something does go wrong. And now I'm using this mint shade, which I really liked, actually a lot more than I thought I would. It's so summery. I don't know why I like this shade so much, but it looks really good next to that blue. And as you can tell, I'm getting that polygel nice and flat. I'm making sure that the top is thin so that when I do fade, it's not thick. And as you can see now, I'm fading upwards, making sure to clean up these sides because that will keep the shape of my nail and reduce my filing time, which saves me a lot of time. And then I'm doing the nail bed color, which is the pink. And yeah, just apply a small bead of this. You don't need to apply a massive bead. If you do apply too much, of course you can always just take some away with the spatula end of the brush. And Makat's brushes, I also do really like the length of them, because I have had experiences with some shorter brushes which unfortunately I find that they're too short, like the bristles are way too short, and then the polygel or the gel will just get all over the metal bit of the brush, which is super annoying. So Makat's brushes are definitely very good, and I find that the bristles are nice and dense too. They're not too flexible. And now I'm just doing the red, which kind of reminded me of, like, it looked more like a cherry red. It looks a little bit more coral on camera, I'm not sure why, but it was more like a bit of a deeper red in real life. And again, making sure that I'm getting the top nice and thin, as you can see, and then I'm fading that up easy. That's how you get that nice thin easy blade. blade blend, sorry, blend, and you will find that when you do apply the nail bed color, it's not bulky, and as you can tell, it's going to be a nice smooth transition. So that is key. If you do want that smooth transition, make sure that you don't have anything that's bulky. Again, this is polygel, so you have all the time that you need to work with it. And definitely use that base coat gel, because it will honestly be such a game changer in making sure that you have the most, like the smoothest surface possible, and that saves a lot of time, especially when capping or applying any crystals, anything on top. You just have that nice, easy, even surface. As you can tell, as I'm blending down, everything it's like, you can tell it's not bumpy. The nails are not bumpy, they're all the same level, everything's even, and that just saves me a lot of time. And this is the rose gold color I was talking to you guys about. It's so pretty and I absolutely love it. This probably has to be like my second favorite after that pink and that blue. Like, I think I'm definitely going to be doing more nail looks with this. This polygel kit is so stunning, and don't forget you can use code nailedbyk to get yourself 15% off at makart.com, and again, it is an affiliate link. So here, like I said, I went over that white because I was sure at that point that I didn't like the white and I just wanted to use that pink. So I'm just going over, and I don't think you could tell too much in the end that I went over it. I think there was like a little bit of white, but honestly it's not a big deal. I don't mind it. And I'm just finishing up those nails, and I just want to take the time to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed and commented on my videos. It's honestly, it makes me so happy to see when I get a comment or like a new subscription from you guys. So thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for supporting me and for all your kind words. It really means a lot to me. And yeah, so thank you guys so much. And now before I cure, I'm applying some of these rainbow stars that I got from Glitter Bells. And these rainbow stars are holographic, so they have like a rainbow shift to them, and I thought this was perfect to complement that like shimmery kind of look in the polygel. And I really liked the addition of this, so I'm really happy I did this. And you want to do this when the polygel is wet, because you can just push them down into the polygel and avoid having like the pieces of the glitter sticking up or out from the edges. So do bear that in mind, that's super important. But then again, if you don't worry too much, because you can just encapsulate them. And if you do cure your nails on accident, because I have done that before, then just apply a layer of base coat gel and then apply the stars and then cap. So I've encapsulated off camera because I've done it so many times in many of my other polygel videos, so do check those out if you want to see how I encapsulate. But I do encapsulate with the Makart Clear Polygel or the Makart Misty Rose Polygel, which is basically a super clear polygel with like a tint of pink, which is not very noticeable. So I find that I get away with that one as well. And I'm now filing with my Makart JD 700 gel, and I highly recommend this e-file for beginners. It's honestly so amazing and it's so easy to use. It's also available on Amazon and also the makart.com website, where again you can use my discount code to get yourself 15% off. And I've been using this nail drill for about 2 years now, and it's still going really strong. And I believe Makart has now a new color for this nail drill. I think they have like a new light pink color for it. So definitely get your hands on this. It's super good and it's very powerful. And these drill bits that I have are not from Makart, those are just from Amazon, and those are also very amazing. So I will link those down below. And let me know if you want like an e-file, how to e-file or hand file video for polygel, because I can definitely go into more depth and detail on how I do that. But my the reason why I do get this nice shape with my nails at the end is mostly because I do just focus on perfecting my polygel application so that I reduce my filing time and already start off with a nice clean outline for my nails before filing. So do bear that in mind. Just keep working on your application, and it will show through your end result, and you will also find that your filing is cut down by a lot. So now I'm using the nail file that comes with the kit, and I'm using the softer side to just tidy up the edges where the e-file may have not been able to get. So because the nail file has those straight edges, I can easily just make sure that those edges are super straight and super crisp, and also quickly buff over the surface of the nail to ensure that everything is super smooth. Again, this is optional, but as a beginner or someone who's still kind of learning how to use the e-file, it does help to just go over with a hand file afterwards. And now I'm using the Makat top coat to top coat all of these nails, and this is the most satisfying part for me. I absolutely love this bit. And look how nice and shimmery that pink is. Like, I love the shimmer in this polygel. It's so nice, and the holographicness from those stars is just so like complementary to this. So let me know what you guys thought down below. I really enjoy these nails. I can't wait to wear them for weeks, and I might do like an update video, we'll see. And yeah, so I'm just applying some cuticle oil. This is from the Body Shop, and this is the final result. I really hope you guys enjoy it and enjoyed my video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you did. It really means a lot. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Please don't forget to use my discount code nailedbyk for 15% off. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.